In this video, I am going to share about those tourist places where you can visit during this COVID-19 outbreak. I will also tell you about the budget that you have to consider during the visit of these beautiful places. And also I am going to share the reason behind considering these beautiful places in my list of upcoming beautiful destinations. So let's start. My first suggestion is a beautiful 8 scenic places from Northeast India, that is Cherrapunji or Sohra. This is a beautiful hilly place in the Northeast India state, Meghalaya. The place is famous for receiving the highest amount of rainfall in the world, and because of this reason you can see some of the spectacular waterfall in the country here. The reason behind choosing this place as your coming up vacation is as follows. Firstly, the place is less crowded nearby Shillong city, which is the capital of Meghalaya. So you can easily maintain social distancing over here. Secondly, the state Meghalaya is well known for its cleanliness. The cleanest village of Asia, Mawlyngnong, is located here at little distance away from Sohra. So you can be absolutely tension free about the hygiene system, and we also know that maintaining proper hygiene is a must to defend the deadly coronavirus. It is also a well-known fact that Meghalaya has remarkably less COVID-19 positive cases. Third, though the place is a bit remote, still you can find comfortable accommodation and food within a small budget. Finally, there are lots of places to visit with abundant natural beauty. To name a few are world famous Seven Sister Waterfalls, Wakebei Waterfalls, Nohokalikai Waterfalls, Mokdok Dimpamp Valley Viewpoint. From these places you can witness the large green hills surrounding the valley and Mosmai Cave, where you can see the some beautiful natural limestone structure. If you wish, you can avail a day to Asia's cleanest village, Mawlyngdong, and beautiful Doki River here. How to reach? The place doesn't have its own airport or railway station. The nearest airport to Cherrapunji is Guwahati. From there you have to reach Cherrapunji by road. Time taken will be around 4.5 hours. The taxi fare for this trip is around 3,500. The train fare up to Guwahati is around 1,500 to 2,500 for 3-tier AC coach. The accommodation and food will cost around 1,600 per person per day. Sightseeing cost will be around 2,000 to 3,000. So overall it is a nice location to visit for 3 nights, 4 days tour. Our second pick is North Sikkim. The state Sikkim is a renowned tourist location, mostly known for ample natural beauty. This is the place where you can mostly enjoy the beauty of Himalayan mountain range, and at the same time it is also a place where the natural beauty knows no bound. It is the place where you can see snow-clad mountains all around, gushing waterfalls at the corner of the main road, opulent green forest all over. As you climb higher, you will notice that the beauty of surrounding is changing rapidly to desert scrap near the northern tundra. Now comes why you pick the place as your coming up travel destination. Firstly, as I mentioned earlier, it is mostly deserted due to extreme climate condition, and hence the chances of virus is nominal here. The state Sikkim has only a few corona positive cases. Next comes the accommodation and food. Though much less number, but still you can get comfortable homestays in all the places here with good home cooked food. In terms of cleanliness, the place is mostly clean due to the less human interference. Finally, you can visit some of the topmost beautiful places of the country like Lachen, Lachung, Yumthang Valley and Gurudongmar Lake. Moreover, if you are a trekking lover, then this place has lots for you. Many beautiful trekking routes starting from the district headquarters of Sikkim, Mangan. How to reach? North Sikkim can be reached by road from New Jalpaiguri railway stations or Pakyang airport. Reserve car fare from NJP or Bagdogra is around 4000 rupees. Shared cab will around 6000 per person. Time taken will be 6 to 7 hours depending upon road condition and traffic. From Pakyang, time taken will be around 5 hours via Gangtok. The accommodation and food will be costed around 1600 per person per day. Sightseeing cost will be around 4000 with reserve cab. Shared cab will be charging around 1200 per person per day. So it can be a great destination to visit for 4 nights 5 days tour during this time. Next, we suggest a tour to Sarahan Sangla Valley. It is located in Kinnaur district of Himachal Pradesh. Unlike the overcrowded Shimla and Manali, these two places are much less crowded and have no less beauty than Shimla and Manali. So you can safely enjoy the beauty of Himalayan mountains here. Surrounded by snow-covered mountains, evergreen forest, apples and cherry orchids, these places are like heaven on earth. You can visit Sun Temple at Neerath, the only sun temple of North India. Bhimkali Temple, one of the 51 Shakti Peeth of Devi Shakti. Shrikhand Peak at Sarahan and beautiful Baspa River at Sangla Valley. Like the other two places, you can safely visit the place, and these are relatively less crowded and hygienic due to lack of human interference. How to reach? Sarahan can be reached from Shimla or Chandigarh. Bus services are available from both these places to Sarahan. Time taken from Chandigarh to Sarahan is 8 hours and from Shimla it is 4.5 hours. Bus fare is around 1500. Reserved cab will cost around 5000. The sightseeing cost will be around 2000 per day. Food and accommodation charges will be around 1800 per day per person. Overall, great places to visit for 4 to 5 days tour. Our final pick is beautiful Kerala destination, Varkala. Unlike the overcrowded places Munnar, Thekri or Alleppey, this Arabian seaside town is one of the most beautiful locations here. So you can visit the place without fear of viral infection. At this place, you can enjoy nature, serenity and closeness to the sea, and at the same time, you can enjoy some adventurous water sports activities if you are an adventure sports lover. Prime locations to visit here are Varkala Beach and Cliff, Sri Janardhan Swami Temple and Thiruvanambadi Beach. How to reach? Varkala town is well connected to road or train. The city has its own railway station and the nearest airport is Trivandrum International Airport, which is approximately 40 km away from the town. Cab fare from Trivandrum International Airport to Varkala is around 2000. Sightseeing cost will be around 1000 rupees per day. The food and accommodation cost will be around 1800 per person per day. In a nutshell, it is a safe and scenic place for your short vacation. One thing I would like to mention here that the charges we mentioned may vary depending upon the season time and other unavoidable circumstances. So friends, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and let me know your opinion about these places in the comment box. Thank you.